This video is sponsored by my favorite website creator, Squarespace, the best place to go when you want to get a domain or create a gorgeous website or an online store. If you're dreaming of creating that perfect signature look, you know, the personal style where you feel like you can walk out the door and always look and feel like £1,000,000, no matter if daytime casual, work time professional, or nighttime glam. These are of course my very personal opinions, bubbling up from my deep Scandinavian sensibilities, but I'm looking forward to hearing which of these you agree with or disagree with. Is it just me, or was everything more gorgeous in the 60s? Modernist furniture, epic architecture, and oh man, the clothes. Now, when it comes to always looking good, I'm not talking about the colored pantyhose and geometric shapes that can so easily start looking like a Halloween costume, don't you think? What I'm talking about is the simple casual silhouettes like trench coats, turtlenecks, simple ballerinas or pumps, and classic huge sunnies. So think more mod than twiggy. The mod style has never really been out of style, and there's still so many classic but at the same time totally modern looking ideas we can get from the mods, especially if we look at the boys. The girlier mod style is great too, with the headbands and the berets and the short skirts, but boys, oh man. Slim suits, slim ties, short trousers, smart boots, and of course the Ray-Bans. What a hot look! I feel that for a casual chic daytime look, the mod style is excellent as a base to then add your personal touches to. And if a look hasn't gone out of style since the 60s, I'm pretty sure it's not going anywhere in the next few decades either. So totally safe to invest in and very practical and easy to style. Do you agree with me that the 60s might just be the most timelessly modern decade that never goes out of style? Are there any contenders, any other decades that are always trendy? Give me your 2 cents. Now, with a simple 60s casual daytime silhouette as a base, let's elevate it to super stylish with some add-ons. A beautiful and roomy bag, a lipstick that doesn't smear, the sunglasses of course, and my personal favorite, the outerwear belt. Investing in a belt that looks great on top of coats is a way to immediately add like 100 style points to that simple daytime silhouette. Nothing says daytime glam like a huge coat with a cinched in waist. This pale pink is so striking, but also works with almost any color. An immediate style level up. Huge belts are easy to find secondhand, especially if we again go to the menswear section. Are you enjoying these videos and want me to make more simple style videos? Be a doll and give me a little thumb. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Moving on to the work time professional, and there's one super simple way to always look good at work or school when you want to seem like you got your shit together and that you're the best person for the job. And that is to create a uniform of impressive basics. What do I mean by impressive? I mean the type of basics that leans towards the slightly severe and modern and upscale. This is super easy to achieve actually, because the impressive basics are also the most simple ones if you ask me. The clean boyfriend t-shirt, the medium wash blue jeans, the high-necked tie top, the classic black slacks, the boxy crisp cotton button-up shirt, and of course the turtleneck. Nothing says modern professional like a turtleneck. Simple low-top boots, simple black bag, you hear where I'm going, all simple everything. The best thing about this clean, straight, severe look is that a white t-shirt or blue jeans or a white shirt are so subtle and generic that your work uniform can be achieved by very few pieces. No one will notice if you wear the same black turtleneck again and again, you know what I mean? Now, to not bore yourself to death with this uniform and to signal that you're not just professional, but you're professional with a personality, is again the add-ons. One great accessory like beautiful earrings, a killer gold chain, a beautiful watch, something quite striking and eye-catching to feel like you don't just look neat, you look great. And if you ask me, the cool profesh look is best finished off with a slick hair-up hairstyle. Oof, just talking about this specific look almost makes me wish I worked in a 9-to-5 office. It's so stylish. Well, almost wish. Speaking of working from home, have you checked out our house tour channel yet? The places David takes us to make me long for a week in a gorgeous vacation home so bad. Do you have a favorite? Today I think I would most like to go to the seaside minimalist modern surf shack. All that plywood, yum. This is a tough one. The most epically horrifying I have nothing to wear moments usually happens minutes before we need to rush off to a nighttime event, am I right? The pressure to look good and glam and fun at events and parties can be quite daunting on days when you feel like all you have the energy for is to cuddle up on the sofa with a bucket of popcorn and a bake-off bench. Can you relate? So the thing I've learned when it comes to myself feeling great at parties and work events is to keep it classic and comfortable. Your popcorn eating, bake-off binging lazy self will not feel great in anything even remotely pinching or tight or unflattering. So a few very classic black nighttime pieces like a loose black dress, a sexy silky shirt, or those trousers you always feel good in, you know which one I mean. I would rather wear the same few pieces again and again at events, even if it means looking the same party after party, than to squeeze myself into items that I don't feel beautiful in just for the sake of variation. I'm actually like this when it comes to all types of outfits, daytime and night. When I find a look that I feel great in, I will just wear it on repeat, often one day after the next, until I find a new favorite outfit that I can start repeat wearing. Once you feel great, and I don't want to wear anything less than great just because I should vary my outfits and rotate all the clothes in my wardrobe. Does anyone else do this? Repeat wear the same outfit if it makes you feel great? Now again, if we go for classic pieces for our nighttime wardrobe, one dead sure way to not feel boring is to go full blown with the add-ons. Who even notices the simple black dress if you spice it up with a great headband or a huge statement necklace or juicy crazy red lips? I've shown you my vintage Givenchy necklace so many times in my videos simply because I cannot get bored with it. And whatever I'm wearing, this necklace will take it to full glam levels. I could go to an event in black t-shirt and black trousers and feel totally luxurious by simply adding this necklace and bright red lips. When it comes to always looking and feeling good in evening wear, I feel that the accessories are the most essential part. Investing in a couple of vintage statement pieces and you will never get stuck in popcorn eating, bake-off binging mode again. Just t-shirt plus trousers plus accessory plus lipstick and bam, you're ready to go. Comfortable, sexy, and totally glam. Guys, give me a like if you found this video helpful. It always means a lot. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Do you agree with me on these? That paring it back, keeping it simple, and investing in fewer but better items is the way to always feel good? And big question, do you agree with me that the 60s might just be the most timeless decade yet? See you in the comments right now. Do you want to create a beautiful site, maybe start your own fashion blog? If so, you should definitely do it with Squarespace. They have great blogging tools to share your stories, photos and videos to make it easy to reach your audience. You can also auto-post your content to Twitter, Facebook or Tumblr and simply schedule your posts for them to be properly tagged and the descriptions and titles will show up correctly. You can of course add your social media accounts to your site so that it's easy for your readers to find you everywhere. Squarespace also have great traffic analytics so that you can see how many people are visiting your site, how long they're staying for, where they're coming from and what they're interested in, like fashion, beauty or maybe interior design, for example. So what are you waiting for? Go get your free trial today at squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/jennymustard to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And like always guys, thank you so much for being such lovely people. Seriously, love you lots guys. You really are the best subbies a girl can ask for. See you next week already. Puss puss and hej då!